Margarita with a straw, sipping on too many disabilities. First warning, don't go in expecting wonderful cinema even if Aamir Khan recommended it. It's a weak combination of Brokeback Mountain with gay sex and The Theory of Everything with a disabled lead player in a wheelchair. The second warning, think of half a dozen disabilities, diseases and disorders and you'll find them all jostling for space in this 101-minute venture which seems far longer. It begins sunnily. Cerebral palsy is cruel to Laila's motor skills, but she has a lovely family with a Sikh dad, a Maharashtrian mom and kid brother Monu. The interactions within the family are perhaps the only real normal moments, with all of them taking Laila's disability in their stride, almost to an extent where she seems like any healthy girl who doesn't relish sympathy. Laila is supposed to be musically gifted, but it's exploring her sexuality that takes up most of the screen time, whether it's in Delhi University or in New York. When she's not kissing Dhruv, who's also wheelchair bound like her, she's surfing soft porn or wanting a vibrator. She also falls in love with Neema, the cute Assamese singer in the college band, and wants to hide in shame when she realizes he's not interested in her that way. One scene where the band wins a competition, but the host spoils the moment by spotlighting her disability. You say, "Acha girl" to Laila's spirited middle finger response. After Laila shifts to New York, too many disorders and distractions drop the interest level. Laila, in a wheelchair with slurred speech, finds a gay lover in Khanum, a Pakistani-Bangladeshi girl who's blind. Don't miss the studied mix of cultures, religious faiths and regions all through the narrative. Shonali Bose relentlessly goes all the way, which isn't pleasant. The cerebral palsy patient needing help when she goes to the toilet, with a male friend having to pull her panties down and help her sit on the pot, defeats the purpose, as it's designed for sympathy, just what Laila doesn't want. The gay physical intimacy is also prolonged and doesn't engage the viewer. You don't blame Mom Revati when she asks, "What about your studies?" We're not done with the disorders. Back home, Mom is terminally ill, she's losing hair. Laila tells Khanum that she cheated on her and had heterosexual sex with a boy in her class. There are tears, recriminations and charges. One rare relief moment is where Kalki tells her mother she's bi as in bisexual, and Revati responds, "I'm also treated like a bi," which is funny. Kalki Kekla will probably be applauded for playing the cerebral palsy patient who's a bisexual. Maybe Revati will get a pat as the mother. Perhaps Sayani Gupta will get a mention for playing Khanum the lesbian. But honestly, nobody is outstanding. For a film that packs in far too many deviations from norm to follow any track with consistent empathy, Margarita with a Straw gets a 2.5-star rating.